I did a video about a thrift store, or actually garage sale find. Oh my goodness, this clip absolutely threw everyone in a tizzy, an absolute tizzy. So I got this bucket of stuff. It was just sitting on the curb for free. So I got it, picked it up because I was actually looking for one particular thing. I went to the garage sale, had this cute little knick-knack thing that I wanted, but I was like, oh, do I really need it? And then I was like, oh man, that was pretty cute. So she put all of her stuff on the curb for free after the garage sale. So I stopped by, was looking for that, threw everything. Well, I started sorting it all and throwing everything away, and wow, did I make everybody upset. So I got these comments. Why throw everything away? Take it to a donation shop so that someone else can use it instead of filling the landfill up. Sandy said that. Lisa said that Ice Cube's candlestick holder could possibly be worth $100. Whoa. And Annette said, if the items aren't broken, donate them all to the thrift store instead of throwing them all out. The Asian figurine looked vintage, as did some of the other things that you put in the red trash can. Yes, I know they did, and they looked vintage. So why do I just throw stuff away instead of taking it to the thrift store? This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Why do I just throw stuff away instead of taking it to the thrift store? Well, here's the thing. We have 6 thrift stores in my town. 6 thrift stores. And 4 of those 6 are run by a church. The other one is the Restore, and the last one is the Salvation Army. If I take anything to the thrift store, it goes to the Salvation Army. Why? Because I don't shop there. And I don't want to accidentally rebuy the stuff that I got rid of, which I would probably do because I would think, oh, that's really cute, and then go and rebuy it again. So I don't want to do that. But here's the thing. The majority of thrift stores here in my town, so I'm sitting by some of my thrift store hauls here. The majority of thrift stores here aren't taking anything. They don't have people to process them. Or some places have such ridiculously strict standards, I'm not gonna go through all of that just to donate. So, and I understand why they want some stuff and why they don't want other stuff. They don't have enough people to process it, which is why they don't take the stuff. Half of them, their shelves are mostly empty, to be honest. It's not really packed here. And so the problem is people would donate stuff, but the thrift stores just aren't taking it. They're just not. So what I do is I just throw it away, or I will set it out on the curb and people will come and check and see if there's something they want on my curb. Here's how I did it the last time I set it on the curb. Put a bunch of free stuff here out on my curb. So let's just see how long it takes for people to come and take it all. It's 12:13 right now, and I just put the notice on upcycle. So we'll see how long it takes for everything to go. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. And we're going through it. Yes! I don't have to take all the junk to the thrift store. I will either throw it away or put it on the curb. Now, I do donate occasionally to the thrift stores, but even like the Salvation Army, their donation times are ridiculous. It's like maybe Tuesday and Saturday from 10 to noon or 10 to 1 or something. Okay, so maybe if I can catch those times, I'll take it over there. But like our Restore, they only take clothes. No offense, Brad, love you, man. But they only They only take clothes from Thursday 10 to 1 or something like that, because that's the only time they have a person to process it. Okay, I understand that, but I'm not going to save up my donations and try and hit that window and make a special trip over there just to donate the stuff. I'm sorry, I'm just going to throw it away. It is not worth my time to mess with it. Now, the restore, since I shop there all the time, I'm not going to donate my stuff there anyway. I'll just set it on the curb. The church ones, the problem is they have a lot of clothes, but they don't have a lot of other stuff. And the stuff they do have is stuff that people don't want to buy. Now, you could put it on eBay and sell it, but personally for me, it's easier for me to make a video and earn $100 making a video than to list that item on eBay. It just is. So I can spend 20 minutes making a video or an hour making a video, and it would take me a lot longer than that messing with eBay, doing the description, trying to get everything clean, dealing with the shipping. There's just too many steps that I don't want to deal with, dealing with customers and their questions and all that. We have sold on eBay before, so I totally know what is involved. But it's just not worth the time for me. I'd rather do videos than waste my time doing that stuff. So I'll just throw it away. So I know that it seems like a big waste, but you know, you do what you got to do. Now, I do put it on the curb. People show up, like I just showed, in 15 minutes. They're at my curb, and usually within an hour or two, the stuff is all completely gone, because this town is crazy with thrifters at garage sales, thrift stores. I mean, now it's at the point where Tuesday and Saturday, it used to be me and 2 other people, one guy a reseller and another lady who I think she just collects stuff, a little old lady that collects stuff, and it's just her social life. It used to be him, me, and her just standing for 15 minutes waiting for the thrift store open. Well, now there's a line of like 20 people by the time the thrift store opens. I don't know what's going on. I find it really hard to believe that because of the economy, people are shopping at thrift stores more. I find that really hard to believe. I think it might be more reseller type things and people getting into reselling. I understand that. I get that. Me and the 2 other people are usually the first ones there. They're there before me, and then I go. But yeah, I mean, it's just not worth my time to go over there. So I'd rather shoot a cooking video and make 10 times that amount of money, because I didn't wash my chicken in my cooking video, so everybody got their knickers in a bunch. So I make $1,000 on an unwashed chicken cooking video. It's so ridiculous. Instead of spending a quarter of that amount of time to do that video versus spending an hour going and reselling all this stuff, for trying to figure out when the thrift stores are open or when they're not open, and all of this menagerie is just not worth it. Time is money, and I don't have to be so frugal right now and try to squeeze every penny out of everything that I have to now, which is really nice. People say, oh, money can't buy happiness. I got news for you, it can. I mean, there's a certain level where having the money when your car breaks down versus not having the money when your car breaks down does buy happiness. Having the money when you have to go to the doctor and not having the money if you have to go to the doctor makes a big difference. It really does. And so yeah, I get it. Money isn't everything, but money can make your life significantly happier by making it less stressful when you have the money to pay for these things. And right now I have to earn the most amount of money with the most amount of energy that I have, and that's doing videos and not reselling stuff. So anyway, that's why I just threw it all in the trash, got rid of it, don't care, want to see it gone. Yeah. All right, guys, visit us at livingonadime.com. We'll see you guys next time.